Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Kipesha Cooks. I'm so happy to have you here. So today we are going to go traditional. This is peeled cassava. In Kiswahili it's mhogo. So we want to boil and fry, mostly for just a snack. So I've gone in with salt and water. So here's my cassava boiling. So for me to know whether the cassava is ready, I want to pierce a knife through. If it's so hard, it's not yet ready. But as soon as it's ready, it's soft, I will remove it from the water and put it aside. While you're at it, you can chop the cassava into smaller pieces. I've poured oil in a sufuria for later use. So I want to season my cassava. This is at the point where it's already boiled, it's soft. I will season it with salt, paprika, and cumin. So I will mix them in a bowl. Mixing them in a bowl. So that is paprika, pilipili hoho, half a teaspoon is enough since cassava is not a lot. And this is cumin, half a teaspoon as well. So you can choose to put your cassava in a bowl and then sprinkle the seasoning when it's already in the bowl, so that you can't do double work, so that you're not able to repeat this process like the way I did. So you can season your cassava when it's already inside a bowl and make sure the pieces are all coated very well. And you can do a soup. So now I want to heat my oil. You don't need a lot of oil, just enough for deep frying. You can use an air fryer. I will put my cassava just carefully into hot oil and allow it to become brown or golden. So once I've achieved the golden color that I want and it's crispy, I will take it out of the oil and put it aside. So you go on until all your boiled cassavas are now fried. So do that for all of them. And if you have the right type of big spoon, you can use it. I don't have the right type of spoon, so I'll opt for this. So now they are ready, they're crispy, they've cooled off a little bit. Don't cover them because they'll become soggy. So now it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching, guys.